How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be doing a quick guide on how to use MOZ SEO for dropshipping. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So as we all know, we would need a good SEO tool to actually utilize keywords to bring up a website, company, store, or product on the top results of search engines. And the way to do this is with SEO tools. So what we'll be doing is we'll be doing a quick overview of some of the key things and features that you need to know about how to use SEO. So with all that said, let's begin. So it even reads here that Moz SEO isn't hard, but it can take some time to master. So all this to say that it's easy to learn but hard to master. In the meantime, you want to ensure that you're set up with all the essential SEO fundamentals so you're best placed to capitalize on a result sooner rather than later. So with this bonus SEO quick start guide, we'll be going over some of the key things and the structure so you guys know just how to operate an SEO tool. So with all that said, let's do it. So starting with the SEO data, as you can see here, to do SEO, you really only need to, you really only need three things to get started: a website, your brain, and data. So hopefully you already have the first two. So let's make sure that you have the right data. So this data pertains to the correct keywords that are often searched, and will guarantee that it will generate the most traffic towards your website or product. So, data is everywhere in SEO, from visitor analytics to keyword research, and especially link building. Your most important data is going to come from your website itself. To this end, we recommend making sure that you have the following data sources set up. So, number one, you need to install analytics. So, web analytics gives you information about who visits your site, how much traffic you receive, and from where, what pages people visit to how they engage it. So Google Analytics being one of the more popular options, because let's face it, Google is like the universal search engine that we all use. So Google Analytics is by far the most popular analytics platform. Most SEOs install it by default. So you should note that Google is transitioning to a new type of analytics known as GA4. If you're unsure about this, you can simply follow Google's instructions to set up both Universal Analytics and GA4. So next, you want to register with search engines. So obviously the pioneers being Google and Bing. So search engines like Google and Bing will offer a wealth of information about your website that you simply can't get anywhere else. So this data often includes the keywords you rank for in search, and how each search engine crawls your site and more. So with that out of the way, the next thing you need to do is run a crawl. While it is not required, we highly recommend that you run a crawl of your website in order to highlight SEO issues that may not be obvious. And what this means is that you'll basically do a quick scan or a rundown of your website to see if everything works in synergy. So this pertains to keywords as well as relevant content and whatnot. So this will also help you see your site like a search engine does. A good SEO audit tool such as Moz Pro's Site Crawl will find issues such as broken pages, links that don't work, duplicate content issues, and other technical SEO problems. Other good crawlers that this website recommends is the Screaming Frog and Sitebulb. Next, we're going to do a quick website assessment. So now that you've identified the technical issues on your website, it's time to gather some metrics. So it may sound like a time-consuming process, but luckily you can do all this within seconds. So all you have to do is create a comprehensive SEO summary quickly and efficiently with one of your tools, being the Moz Pro tool domain overview. So this report will actually provide you with a snapshot of all of your current standings within the rankings, including your domain authority, keyword rankings, competitors, linking domains rather, branding authority, comparisons, and more. So next, you're going to check how your site is indexed. And the simplest way to do so is to do a quick search relevant to your content. So this works both for Google and Bing. For example, if you want to check the index status on Moz, you would type the following into Google search box: site with this format. So if you guys were to search the indexing for your content or website, it'd have to be in this format when you go in Google. So site, um, colon, and then your website. And this will also tell you approximately how many pages Google has indexed. In this case, we see tens of thousands of pages. So you can also check if individual pages are indexed like this. So the goal here is to be smarter with your keywords so that you can bring down the search results to a lower count. So this way, your website or whatever is actually pushed to the top rankings. So yeah, that's actually how you get to do it. Now, obviously, there are more details about how you can be more specific with SEO tools, but this actually goes into detail and would make for a real long video. But that was a quick introduction on how you actually get to use it. Now, obviously, you guys can go to this website, Beginner's Guide to SEO for MOZ, and learn how to use it. So yeah, hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Bye bye.